this pack from Bro Depot. This is the 2 Superman that I ordered or pre-ordered. So let's see what they looks like. This is the Christopher Reeve and Brandon Routh Superman from McFarlane. This is the new version of Christopher Reeve figure and Brandon Routh. This is from Bro Depot. Okay. See? So this is the Brandon Routh Superman. There's no alternate hand, just a figure with base and of course the card. This is the back of the figure. Superman Return. And this is Superman Theatrical Deluxe of Christopher Reeve. It has an 8 alternate hands with 2 alternate head of Christopher Reeve. And this is the back of the figure. So that's it. The 2 Superman that I've ordered from Bro Depot. Hope you like it. So see you next time. Bye.